In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to iCal feeds and holidays in Zoho Calendar. By the end, you'll know how to pull in external schedules, like public event calendars, school timetables, or national holidays, so they appear right alongside your own events in Zoho Calendar. Let's start with subscribing to an iCal feed, sometimes called a web calendar. First, log in to Zoho Calendar. From there, open Settings, go to Calendar, and select Subscribe. Choose the web URL option. This is where you paste a valid iCal link in .cs format from the calendar you want to follow. Common sources include public Google Calendar feeds, organization event pages, or sports schedules. Make sure the link is accessible without signing in and that it's the actual ICS URL, since regular web page links won't work here. After you paste the URL, click Subscribe. Once added, the feed appears in your calendar list under Subscribed Calendars. Events from that source will show on your calendar automatically, so you don't have to import or maintain them manually. These events are read only in Zoho Calendar, which means you can view details, but you can't edit or delete them from within Zoho. Any changes have to be made at the original source. Zoho will refresh the feed periodically, and you can adjust the auto-sync interval if you want more or less frequent updates. Keep in mind that some providers update on their own schedules, so it may take a moment for new events to appear. If you work across time zones, the events will display according to your Zoho calendar settings, helping you avoid confusion. Next, let's add holiday calendars. Again, log into Zoho Calendar, go to Settings, open Calendar, and click Subscribe. This time, choose Holidays, which may be labeled Regional Holidays or Religious Holidays depending on your view. You'll see a list organized by country or religious group. Find the one that matches your needs and click Subscribe next to it. The holiday calendar will be added to Zoho Calendar, so national and regional holidays show up automatically. This is especially useful for planning team schedules or avoiding conflicts on public holidays. Just like other subscribed calendars, holiday events are read only, and you can unsubscribe later if you no longer need them. That's it. Subscribing to web calendars and holiday calendars in Zoho helps keep your schedule complete and up to date with minimal effort. Use accurate ICS links for web calendars, pick the holiday set that matches your region, and let Zoho handle the rest.